Y'all, oh my goodness, my first Amazon Prime package just came in. Literally, I was just dogging them, talking about how, well, I wasn't dogging them, but I was just saying how I was so upset that they kept changing the dates and stuff on when it was going to be delivered, but it's finally here. So we're going to open it up. Just to let you guys know what it is, it's a nail kit. Well, it's a nail drill machine. And I'll show you what I've been using. What I used on my nails to get them to where they're at right now is this Super Nail Deluxe manicure machine, and it honestly does work. There's the box. We need to do a thumbnail. But yeah, it's a nail drill, and it sells for like $58, but if you do it with Amazon Prime, you don't have to pay for shipping, I guess. So it's $62. Okay, so it comes with a little nail machine booklet. Oh, it tells you what it includes. It includes a electric nail drill main control, US plug only, one hand piece, one foot pedal. Oh, this is the foot pedal one. I didn't even like remember that. No speed control for the rotation, hand piece stand, 3 drill bits, 1 user manual, and 30 sanding bands. Okay, let's open it up. Oh yeah, it's more purple than the box. Well, at least the box is still cute. Like they put thought into the box. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the machine itself. It's actually not as big as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be super big, but you know what? I don't want something super big because I don't want it to take up a lot of space on my desk whenever I start really, doing people's nails. But oh my goodness. I can't believe it's here. Y'all, I'm so excited. Comes with a foot pedal. That's gonna be so cool. Y'all, I ain't gonna know how to act. Oh my goodness, I'm acting like a kid, but I'm so excited. This is to like put the drill right here, like to set it aside whenever you're, doing something else to the nail and you don't need it. You just lay it on top of here. Oh, and it bends, so it's not like super heavy. These are the 30 sand drills, sand bits, sand whatever. Yeah, this is like for whenever you're prepping the nail and you're trying to take the like shine off of the nail. That's what this will be for. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness, it's here. Y'all, I'm about to plug this thing up and get started. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. I can't. Okay, so this is gonna be like a review on like the packaging and how it looks and how sleek everything is and how it came, properly in the box. And then I'll do a second video, which will be the review number 2, and we can see how it works for the first time. I'll let y'all know how it works and let y'all know how much better it works rather than one from like Sally's or the beauty supply or like Walmart. Y'all, I need like an actual nail like bag for my stuff now. Like I need one. That is the final deal. I finally got my nail drill, so it's like go time for me. I'm about to start practicing and I'm about to get cold at this thing, so mark my words. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.